called overpriced bread. Stick that in there, we put the button. It doesn't work all the time.
I'm not gonna talk though. First I'm gonna talk later.
It can be a short video too.
This is blended up cashews, almonds, pecans with almond milk, cinnamon, and half a banana. I cook it on the stove for like 8 minutes on high and stir it constantly so it doesn't burn to the bottom of the pan. And once it's cooled, it turns into this kind of like porridgey consistency.
Gross stuff.
Pudding.
Shut up. But I hate oatmeal.
But she likes this.
This is good. Okay, so look, when I pick it up, this is how oatmeal should look. There's no stringy, slimy stuff connecting the spoon.
That just looks like poop.
No.
Doesn't taste like it though. Anyways, it's really good and you guys should try it. I might post the recipe in the link in the description. What is he doing?
Purging.
Do you need some help with that? He's trying to purge our Berkey filters,
Whoa!
but this isn't something he does by himself. Usually it's my job. Alright, it's day 4 on the island. Today we have a few things in store. We're gonna hit up a thrift store. We're gonna fill up our propane for our bus so we don't run out and can't cook anymore. And I think we're gonna go for some Ethiopian food, which I have been craving for months, and there's none near us in Louisiana. Not even within a couple hours drive. So we're near Houston. Going for Ethiopian food. Our neighbors just showed up and brought us these 2 huge fish that they caught yesterday.
They're still alive.
They are still alive. They're still.
As you can see, they're breathing.
They're breathing. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, they can see that one. I've only ever killed and gutted a fish one time before in my life, and it was very terrifying. Yeah, so I gotta do that, which I'm excited to do because I really like the idea of fresh fish. I just don't know what I'm doing. I have a friend that is coming tonight to hang out for the next couple days, and she knows all about fish. So she's going to teach us and show us all how to gut fish, clean fish, fillet fish, and then we'll cook them.
Hello, we have this. They are from the neighborhood. They are still alive.
So Michael wasn't here when we got the fish, so they're in the fridge, and we're going to turn them around so the faces are facing out, and then we're going to ask him when he gets back to get something out of the fridge and see how he reacts.
The women are telling me that I have to spin around so the eyeballs will be looking at Dad.
It'll be funnier.
It just moved. It just like did the whippersnapper thing.
The whippersnapper?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, we're going to have to clean that whole fridge.
I just want the eyeballs. Oh my gosh, that'll look so freaky when he opens it. Okay, Dad's back.
Is this some kind of joke?
It's a monster!
I got it on
And
camera.
2 things looking up at me.
They're live too.
Oh, is that clean?
They're closed their mouths
still
every now
alive.
and then.
Yes!
What did she
Am I the only man in this house?
We're going to the beach. My dad went to Costco. Adri and Toby's keeping an eye on us. And yeah.
They're singing Sand Angel over and over again, which sounds like a really terrible idea. Anyways, we've been at the beach for about 3 hours. Mom and Dad went to go shopping, so they left us with the kids. Kids wanted to go to the beach, so we took them to the beach. And now Toby is killing time because that's what he does best.
Get it. Alex. We're all fighting for it. Where'd it go?
You're staring at a phone, you don't react. Come on!
Ah! Alright, we just got home with our Ethiopian food.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is made with teff only, so it is gluten free. That is the way they make it in Ethiopia. Yes.
My stomach is grumbling right now, like really bad. I want to eat it.
Mustard cream? Smells good, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, this one spilled a little bit. Love you. Do something else.
Look at it.
Jesse,
It's red.
it's really yummy.
Injera.
Try that.
What's this?
This is injera.
I love injera.
Oh, that's so good.
Okay, let's dish it out. Where's the salad? We're not gonna
I
eat
can't
all
wait. I want to eat it all.
We're gonna eat all
I want to eat all of it.
all this
I'm gonna eat all of it.
It's way too much.
I want to Oh! I remember
Oh,
that.
it's so good.
It tastes
It's one
good
of my
with
favorites.
the injera and all the other stuff. Okay, Jesse, here. So, take this piece.
Okay, Andy, which ones do you want to try?
Now,
You don't like spice,
grab
right?
a piece of your food.
That's
And eat it like that.
So you'll like some of this. And you
It's really good.
Beth, what do you want?
Everything just fine. Yeah. I love Ethiopia.
This one's really spicy. You want this?
Yes, I love some spicy.
Bethany?
There's little bits of chicken.
Hi, do you want some of the injera?
Our favorite is the dough.
How do you eat it?
You take a piece of injera. You go like that. You grab your food.
Just ask. Just look for a
And
fork.
you eat it without a fork.
That's the proper way. Did you eat all the food off of the injera?
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. So this egg, it's really good. So I'm gonna eat it. Make an egg and cheese on this.
Levi, hey.
My cottage cheese.
Hey. Hey, stop.
It's burning off.
Levi,
Oh.
want more?
What's the point?
When we used to live in Edmonton, we spent a lot of time with the Ethiopian community, and part of their custom was to feed each other. So you would take the food and go to your good friend and feed them.
I ain't your good friend.
do it.
Really?
Don't stick that one in your mouth. Okay, wait. Do you want me to do you first, or you do?
Okay.
I think we did close-ups so that everything is the open.
Your hair doesn't matter.
Our friends are here. Our friends are here. From home.
Say our friends from home.
You gotta call
Our
the villager
friends
because
from home are here.